Kulay भी bara sinpat yang subai pi hingga channel unun kubor de lada de sin kong pi hingga channel part pi bapen subscribe basta press notification bell kram pen message yang pelan ma de kam po joni State Rural Employment Society kabare ka district Southwest Hill district makarwat ma dengan bade bukan notification dia kadai satrik jong radio na japun dia ma tem tan pulin advertisement apa kom no. Applications are invited from residents of Meghalaya for filling up the posts mentioned below. Under the Office of District Implementing Division (SRES), Southwest Hill District, Makarwat on contractual basis. Tem tang ni page ni post kini rugidai tapangin page po pada bagi details ma. Tegi salary qualification ni bara. Tem name the post and details ma mata. Tegi page ni ka post number 1. Dari IT profesional mah PMAY kini G kini name program tu mah hajrang tem tangan page ni ka details begini yuan tini name the post semua kini ka IT profesional mah the number of posts kini nun tak kawai tika initial qualification di BCA the BCA or PGDCA BSc in computer science tika work experience dari preference will be given to candidates have at least 2 years mah. The place of posting at the District Implementing Division (SRES) Southwest Hill District betul mah. The age limit part kadai haduk lai pars nama. Teka siap kadai kan hojar. Then time page ni post number 2. Ka post number 2 kadai ka technical professional. Teka number of posts kadang takawai. Teka qualification teka BE BTech in civil engineering mah. The work experience preference will be given to candidates having relevant working experience of at least 3 years. The place of posting the District Implementing Division itu SRES Southwest Hill District mah. The age limit kadai hadu lai arsnam. The jingsia part kadai khatan ajar. Tempat yang ni post number 3 pan ka training coordinator under the program of PMAYG mah tu. The number of posts kadang kawai the essential qualification the postgraduate degree in rural development mah or agricultural extension social work or PG diploma in rural development. The work experience preference will be given to candidates with at least 3 years. Okay. The place of posting part the District Implementing Division SRES Southwest Hill District mah tu. The age limit part the like arts nama like arts name the jingsi or the sapajar. Post number 4 pan kadang support staff number of posts kadang away mah tika essential qualification di pass class 12 ganita class 12 pass mah with certification in computer knowledge from recognized institution but kumjo bendar ni kayu ya ka computer knowledge mah the place posting di District Implementing Division SRES Southwest Hill District mah the age limit pa di arpnyos 6 hadu arpnyos 6 as on date of recruitment notice tega jing siap balik arhajar tega ni post number 5 ni post number 5 oh klep mention mana kani ka contractual basis mah tega ni post number 5 part kadi ka technical support staff dan number of post dot away tega initial qualification di BE or BTech in civil engineering mah tu tega place posting di ka block ni part di block implementing division SRES running course Southwest Hill District mah tega place posting ni kan post number post number 5 dai hawi ma jakama place posting tega age limit kali hadu like arsnam tega jingsia de kasana jar tempat ni post number 4 or 6 sorry block technical assistant te kani pat dan artillery post number post artillery te essential qualification dari BE or BTech in civil engineering mah the place posting the block implementing division SRES Ranikor Southwest Hill District the age limit kadai hadu lep arsnam tega jingsia part kadai apa arajar mah tega niga name post number 7 kadai district IT manager com akotan kani pa number vacancies sudah takawai the initial qualification dari BCA or BE BTech or equivalent qualification from institution. The place of posting bagi District Implementing Division SRES Southwest Hill District mah tega age limit ada life arsnam tega jisia wadai aphojar per month tu the nature of appointment the kani ko maong mene the appointment shall purely be on contractual basis kani ka contractual basis mo ni post like kam pre ne po Southwest Hill District kan kani juga contractual basis How to apply the prescribed application form should be downloaded from the website of Southwest Cultural District Mokerwan. Berdep ka application form sabuk ka berhab download di ka application form kan. Sabuk ni ke website jong ni ka Southwest Cultural District Mokerwan mah apa description. The key application form should be accompanied by self copies of key. Ban penbiang bade ka ban submit ban ra kan bagi you maki ka application form jupi ban kam ki documents kum ki valid photo identity proof kum ki ID card epic pan card driving license tama Aadhaar extra ka birth certificate jong pi ka caste certificate if applicable ka mark sheet jong pi ka educational qualification jong mark sheet jong pi ma passport size man submit ini ka application form part kada hapo the Dulai fill application form along with copies of certificates and testimonial should be submitted to the office of project director DRDA Southwest Cultural District Mokerwan ma man submit ka application jupi kada ni office of the project director submit itu ka last date ban submit ini you kada apply tarik jong prai Jun mah rapor sama JPM bere bitu interesting dia dam tapi dah jumpa apply tak bahaban apply na mar kelas dia apply tarik jong Jun JPM dia mah bere bitu ki applicants ki tersedia ki dan jumpa apply bere application form dan jumpa apply barok mah beri long baro at least long kawai mah bila kita jumpa apply artili ka application form hable separate summary rejection application received after the last date gitu sampai di points tu verification tu sampai di points tu mah other instruction application are sought to have a valid email account but mobile number mah tak tu sampai di points tu kalau si bani Februari video kepada Februari share like subscribe kalau si bani Februari